Hey love, so I have my makeup on, but I'm going to show you how to remove this makeup and how to get this flawless skin, this hydrated skin using the new Mia Prima by Clarisonic and Kiehl's Ultra Facial Cleanser. I'm a part of her campus and we collab to bring you this daily facial cleansing routine of mine. So I hope you all enjoy. I hope you all, take some tips to get your skin hydrated, glowing, even in this winter time. Get your skin hydrated and glowing and perfect for night.
Damn, mommy. Here we go.
Raspberry, grape, cherry. Put away.
With the Kiehl's and the Clarisonic, and I honestly can say that it does gently cleanse my skin and it does not leave my skin dry like compared to black soaps or some of the other cleansers that I have used before. It doesn't dry my skin out, which I love because I have dry skin and it is winter. So if you're dry skin, combination skin like I am, this Kiehl's is amazing for your skin. So this facial cleansing is a two-step process. I go in and wash my face with my hands, and then I go in with the brush because it does not cleanse my face just by using the facial wipe, nor does my face get clean by just using my hands. So you need this brush to, get deep inside and remove that makeup because you don't want to have any breakouts. So I do this two-step process on a daily cleanse if I use makeup, or even if I don't use any makeup, I still cleanse my face the same way, just so I can get a deep cleanse and a deep gentle cleanse that's not harsh on my skin, but that cleanses my skin. I hope that explains everything. Rubber pieces around the circle, around the head, and it buzzes and it lets you know when your 60 seconds are up. And unlike most Clarisonic brushes, this does have the rubber, and then it has the brush into your skin and cleanse. So it has the rubber, and then the brush part. So yeah, like I said, it gets deep into the skin, it cleanses it, and it actually foams up. Something that I love about this brush is that it foams up, and so it cleanses your skin a little more. And so I'm gonna show you how I cleanse my skin. It's optional, but I just feel that it helps foam, and I just love that feature, that foam. Even almost got married, and for freedom so thankful. Wish I could say thank you to my cause he was an angel. It's empire, it's empire, it's empire. Hold up.
Damn, mommy. Here we go.
Raspberry, grape, cherry.
Hold up.
Sorry, can you play that again?
Then I'm gonna towel dry my face with a towel so you can see that there's no makeup at all. Like, oh, this is no marks. it help my problem areas here. I don't know if you guys can see. It minimizes my pores as well. I usually have larger pores, but ever since I've been using this cleansing brush, my pores have been reduced. My forehead has been cleared up. Skin looks flourishing. And yes, so thank you Clarisonic, as well as her campus and Kiehl's cleanser for allowing me to bring this to my subscribers. And you guys wanted a skincare routine for night and as well as daytime. I showed you two before I put on the makeup, as well as me taking off my makeup. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. This, like I said, is a perfect gift for, you know, female or male, anybody. It's a perfect gift, and it's under $100. So again, you know, perfect gift. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you are watching this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit the like button. So you know, just, you know, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I am Southern Progress. You know, subscribe to your girl. Like, I'm almost at 1,000. So go ahead and support. You don't want your skin flaking up and looking all dry and crusty with or without the makeup. So invest in your skin, because matters. Your face matters. So bye, love y'all. Peace, love and happiness. And at the end of the day, be you, because the real you is beautiful. Bye.
I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna